Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Yale Access app for smart lock setup on Wi-Fi. Beginner guide step by step clearly. Begin by ensuring your smartphone is connected to Wi-Fi. Open the App Store if you are using an iPhone. If you are using an Android device, open the Google Play Store. In the search bar at the top, type Yale Access. Press enter or tap the search icon to initiate the search. Locate the Yale Access app from the search results. Tap on the app to open its dedicated page. For iPhone users, tap the Get button to download the app. For Android users, tap the Install button. Wait for the app to download and install on your device. Once the installation is complete, locate the Yale Access app on your home screen. Tap the app icon to open it. You may be prompted to create an account or log in. Follow the on-screen instructions to set up your account if necessary. Grant the app the permissions it requires to function properly. Navigate to the settings within the app to start the smart lock setup. Select the option to add a new lock. Follow the step-by-step prompts to connect your smart lock. Make sure your smart lock is powered on and within Bluetooth range. Once connected, you can manage your smart lock directly from the app. Review the settings to customize notifications and access preferences. With setup complete, your Yale Access app is now ready for use. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.